How to fix Roblox error code 268. First open Start and type CMD. Click on Run as Administration. Now type the following command and press Enter. Type exit and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Run. Type temp and press OK. Delete all content in this folder. Now open Run again. Type the following command and press OK. Click on App Data. Open Local folder. Locate Roblox folder and delete that folder. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Control Panel. Click on Uninstall a program. Uninstall Roblox and reinstall again. Open any browser you want. Type Roblox PC download and press OK. Click on first link. Now download and install Roblox.